Okay, I'm going to demonstrate today the 4 interventions in reciprocal teaching using this equation: 5 times k plus 4 equals 12 plus 6k. The first step that we are going to address is clarify. So I want to know things like, what is this asking me to do? It's asking me to solve it. So that could be questions like, what does that mean? It means I want to find what value of k makes this equation true. It could be any clarification that has to do with where we're headed in this problem. Next step is, after I clarify, is predict. I can make predictions on this answer based on the problem, like there's no decimals in it, there's no fractions in it, so I'm thinking that I might get a whole number. I'm thinking initially I'm going to get one answer, anything like that. And this could be transferred to other types of problems. Next is question. This is the part where I'm going to solve the problem. Do I know what to do next? Do I have enough information to solve it? Any questions on how to do it or mistakes I might make? So when I solve the problem, I work through it. And questions kids might ask are, why did you do that to both sides? Why did you minus 12 here and minus 12 there? Why is there 0? Any of our procedural questions that we normally answer. And here are some examples of questions I might ask. So this is more questioning examples. I'm going to check my answer. Questions might be, why do I have to check my answer? What am I expecting when I check my answer? I get 60 equals 60 when I check my answer. What does that mean? These are all types of questions, and they definitely overlap with clarifying. Fourthly, I am going to summarize. Here's what I did from beginning to end. So on this question, I might go back and say, I started with this as a question. I needed to solve it to figure out what value of k equals 6. When I did the work, I found out that k equals 8, not 6. And then I took that k and I plugged it back into my original question. And when I did that, I got 60 equals 60, which told me that this was, in fact, the value of k I need to make this equation work. And that is my summation of the 4 interventions of reciprocal teaching.